When I first encountered this poem by W.H. Auden, it bore a title of The Quarry. Subsequently, I have seen it titled with a portion of its first line, "Oh, what is that sound?" It is in his collected that way, so I believe that "Oh, what is that sound?" is either the correct title or the title that he wanted. So here it is. "Oh, what is that sound?" by W.H. Auden. Oh, what is that sound which so thrills the ear? Down in the valley, drumming, drumming. Only the scarlet soldiers, dear, the soldiers coming. Oh, what is that light I see flashing so clear? Over the distance, brightly, brightly. Only the sun on their weapons, dear, as they step lightly. Oh, what are they doing with all that gear? What are they doing this morning, this morning? Only their usual maneuvers, dear, or perhaps a warning. Oh, why have they left the road down there? Why are they suddenly wheeling, wheeling? Perhaps a change in their orders, dear. Why are you kneeling? Oh, haven't they stopped for the doctor's care? Haven't they reined their horses, their horses? Why, they are none of them wounded, dear, none of these forces. Oh, is it the parson they want with white hair? Is it the parson? Is it? Is it? No, they are passing his gateway, dear, without a visit. Oh, it must be the farmer who lives so near. It must be the farmer so cunning, so cunning. They have passed the farmyard already, dear, and now they are running. Oh, where are you going? Stay with me here. Were the vows you swore deceiving, deceiving? No, I promised to love you, dear, but I must be leaving. Oh, it's broken the lock and splintered the door. Oh, it's the gate where they're turning, turning. Their boots are heavy on the floor, and their eyes are burning. Certainly the first poem by W.H. Auden that I ever read, and one of the very first poems ever that I encountered. It was printed in my elder sister's textbook, and I was leafing through it and came across it and was intrigued. And it was there that it was referred to as the Quarry. But I place less credence on a children's textbook than on a poet's own collected. Not that W.H. Auden was flawless in his selection and so forth of his collected poems, but we know that textbooks say vis-a-vis how they describe the Civil War and whatnot are often irregular.